Hello there, and welcome to Best Global AI. If you're a paid member, you've got access to a powerful all-in-one platform designed to help you grow your business and connect with more buyers. Let me give you a quick tour of how you can use our tools to build a customized landing page that matches your business model and attracts new clients. First, everything begins with our interactive ePub3 editor, where you'll find ChatGPT-4 already built in. That's where you'll design your landing page. But don't worry, you don't need to be a designer. We've created a step-by-step tutorial to guide you through matching your unique business goals to a landing page layout. Whether you're selling handmade products, offering coaching services, promoting books, or showcasing a portfolio, this platform works for you. We recommend starting with a clear headline, a strong call to action, and a short description of how your business solves your customer's problem. Then, you'll add media like a video, HeyGen avatar, or audio. Just insert placeholders if you don't have those files yet. Now here's the best part. Inside the ePub3 editor, you can use this simple prompt with ChatGPT-4 to generate your landing page layout and text. I want to create an interactive product demonstration landing page to promote my business. My business model is, then describe your business, and the AI will take care of the rest. And remember, you also have access to 3 powerful supporting tools: your follower list and email system with Mailgun integration, the HeyGen avatar creator to make videos just like this one, and Share, which helps you post across all your social channels automatically. If you'd prefer a designer to do it for you, we also offer custom-designed landing pages starting at $250. So go ahead, use the tutorial, copy the prompt into ChatGPT, and start building your magnetic marketing page today. Best Global AI is here to make AI personal and profitable for your business.